Hi friends, very good morning. Today we'll talk about a type of customer. Generally we feel four kind of customer. The first category of customer is called a cheap customer. No, I don't want to say cheap. Cheap, that's the mentality sort of a cheap in fact. As in when they decide to buy, they just keep calling to different shops, different offices and talk about the rates only. What is your rate? What is your rate? What is your rate? They didn't just talk about the prices, they didn't talk about the features, they didn't talk about the benefits, the process, and the reviews, the post purchase of the customer's review about that particular product. They just concentrate about the rate, right? So it's a very tough to deal with customer. Better not to get into those customers. And there's another category of customers called a tough customer. Tough customer are tough actually. They don't give any reaction, they don't give any their inputs, they don't tell what they exactly want. You just keep you know uh, offering them different options. They will keep quiet and with a different face. And believe me, that situation creates a pressure. Many times I come across a lot of customers, they sit in front of me and they said, sir, I want this. Showing them options, sir, this that. They will not understand that, and they'll just simply walk away. They will tell you, I will let you know. And sometimes if they are willing to take, and in my case, what I have done, I have given it whatever the best I could have done, and let them go as soon as possible, because that sucks your energies actually. Third kind of customers are affluent customer. Affluent customer are very wealthy people, very rich people, but they're very demanding people. They even can visit your office, they can even call you, and they will not talk about rates. They'll talk about the product and services, and you offer them a rates. They'll tell, okay, I'm agree with that. Send that thing at my home. If you ask them, sir, you need to give documents, you need to make payments related to us for the billing and all that, they are comfortable with. They will give you a funds within maybe a moment. But when you ask them, sir, when we can deliver, they will tell you, you can deliver at my home at 10 p.m. in the evening, late night, or 7 in the morning. Surprise. Probably, people will give a very different reaction. But believe me, the affluent people are ready to pay you whatever price you want. But they are very demanding. They have their own other important commitment. They give priority to those important commitment. To buying something, it is just a task for them, and they don't want to give energy to those things. This is one of the important thing which we always keep into mind, right? And the fourth category of customers are sophisticated customer. These customers are called a cream customer. Every company are targeting those kind of customer. Before making a decision to purchase, they do a lot of market research, and they talk about different companies as well. And when they land it up to you, they come with a mindset they want to buy it, they want to purchase that product that point of time, right? They will do a little bit of bargain. They know what is the actual cost and how much you're going to earn out of that, and they understand that if you're doing a business, you should have some margin, you should earn some margin to run your business. So they will understand everything and give you a decent amount of margin. I will not say very hefty, very big margin, but a sophisticated margin they will definitely gonna offer to you. And they are ready to adjust the timing, they are ready to adjust their circumstances, right? They will give you options. Sorry, if you can do the you can do this way, you can do this way, you can do this way. And definitely you will feel good from your inside when you talk to those customer. And these are your target customer. It is my own personal relationship that once you have a good, fantastic and relationship with your target customer, your cream, sophisticated customer, the customer not only stick to you, but also give reference to several other peoples. And it is my own personal experience. In my 16 years of sales career, I have got many fantastic, sophisticated customer. I got a huge difference, more than 50%. Transactions is through references only. from those customers. The people call me, sir, I got a reference from Mr. So and so, and it's very happy. It's very happy to receive a referral call from the customer. You need not to worry at all. Business is coming to you over a call, so you need to understand what your customer exactly want and how you can service those things. So these are the four kind of customer. Everybody look for this fourth category of customer: sophisticated customer, long-term customer, and I think we must focus on those customers. Thank you very much.